Now children, today we will start chapter number 16, present and past continuous tense. Okay, so this is continuation of chapter number 15. Here you will study about the continuous tense, children. What is continuous tense, children? What do you mean by continuous tense? Now continuous tense means, children, that the action is still going on. It is not yet over. Okay, so look at the examples given here. A dog is barking. Veena and Akash are watching television. Children are playing in the garden. I am studying. So here, children, you can see some words are highlighted in red color. What does it mean? A dog is barking means that the dog is still barking. The action is not yet over. Okay, it's still barking, it's still taking out the sound. In the same manner, Veena and Akash are watching television. What do you mean by this? That both of them, they are watching the television and the action is still going on. They have not yet finished watching TV. They are still watching it. Okay, so it is a continuous tense sentence. In the same manner, children are playing in the garden. Now, what does this mean? That the children are still playing in the garden. Okay, they have not finished playing yet. Abhi bhi khel hi rahe. So, the action is still going on. So, we will say this sentence is a continuous sentence. So, children, in the same manner, I am studying means you are still studying. You have not yet finished studying. Abhi bhi pad rahe ho. So, these are the examples given here. Now, children, how do we form continuous sentences, children? We form continuous sentences by adding ing. Okay, you see in all the verbs, these are all verbs, right? Barking, watching, playing, studying. We make continuous by adding ing to the verbs. Okay, so see, look at some examples. Now look here, children. What is eat? Eat is a verb. Okay, how do we change eat into present continuous tense? By adding ing. It becomes eating. And even in the past continuous, the verb will be same. Eating, here also you will add ing. So in both the forms, present continuous and past continuous, children, we add ing. Okay, in the bark. What is the present continuous of bark? You add ing, it becomes barking. Even in past continuous, the verb will be same. Here also you will add ing, it will be barking. So in both present and past, we change the words into continuous form by adding ing to the verb. Okay, see the next verb, play. Okay, अब play को present या past continuous में change करने के लिए क्या करना है? You just add ing, playing. Here also you add playing. Now what is the difference then, children? Both are same, right? Now the difference is here. See, children. Now when we are talking about singular nouns, then you are going to write along with the verb a helping verb is. You all know, no? Children, I told you is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. इनको हम लोग helping verbs बोलते हैं. Okay, this is the main verb and this is the helping verb. So children, in present and past continuous, along with main verb, you also have to write a helping verb. दोनों लिखना है. Okay, helping and main verb together. So when the sentence is singular or if the noun is singular you know, no? Talking about one person, place, animal or thing. So if the noun is singular, you will write is. Okay, in the present continuous. Okay, and suppose I am talking about past continuous, the verb will be same as I told you, eating here also, eating here also. Only helping verb you are going to change, children. Is eating, in past you will change and write was eating. That means was eating means खा रहा था and is eating means खा रहा है. The action is still going on, is present tense, and action that is over, that is past tense. So you will only change the helping verb. Main verb will remain the same every time, children. Okay, only helping verb you will change. So if the noun is singular, you write is. If the noun is talking about past continuous, you will write was. Remember this rule. Once again, you all see, in present continuous, children, if the noun is singular, is eating bolenge. Okay, and if suppose I am asking you to write past continuous of the same sentence, was eating. Is barking, was barking. Is playing, was playing. Is playing, was playing. So for singular, children, you have to remember this. Is, was, like that. But suppose the noun is plural, more than one or many, तो कुछ नहीं, is are में change हो जाएगा, was were में change हो जाएगा. Okay, suppose I am talking about plural nouns, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, are eating, children are eating, boys are eating, girls are eating. Girls, what is girls? GIRLS, girls. Girls जब बोल रहे हैं, I am telling you the spelling is having S. GIRLS, girls. So it is plural, तो girls are eating बोलेंगे. If I say about one girl, a girl is eating. So children, if the noun is singular, is हो जाएगा, plural में are लिखोगे. Okay, are eating, are barking, are playing. But suppose I am talking about the past continuous, तो was change हो जाएगा were में. Okay, so were eating, children were eating. We are talking about plural. बहुत सारे बच्चे खा रहे थे. Action is over. Children were eating. The dogs were barking. Okay, Ram and Mohan were playing. So when we talk about plural, children, you are going to use are and were. If you talk about singular, you will choose is and was. Okay, so finally, children, understand this. When we talk about present continuous tense, for present continuous tense, children, we are going to use is for singular, are for plural, and past continuous, was for singular, were for plural. This you have to remember. If you remember this, you'll be able to do all the exercises. Okay, so let us see the exercises given in the book. Now children, this you are going to cut this. It is not required. Okay, coming to this B number, I'll discuss later. First, I'm going to discuss question number C. Now the question says, complete these sentences using is, am, are plus ing form of the verbs in brackets. That means, children, you are going to write the helping verb plus ing form of the verb that is given in the brackets over here. So these are all present continuous sentences examples, children. Okay, let us see the first one. My grandparents. Now see here, children, grandparents is having S. That means it is a plural. तो plural के लिए are लिखेंगे. My grandparents are. Rest will change into resting. When you write in continuous, मैम ने क्या कहा? For continuous, children, you have to add ing. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? रेस्ट का resting and helping verb. So children, यहाँ पे दो आंसर लिखना है, helping verb and the main verb. Both you will write in the blank. Okay. My grandparents are resting. Now Sonu is name of one boy. So you will write is. Plural के लिए are, singular के लिए is. Sonu is chasing a butterfly. Chase will change into continuous by adding ing. Okay. सारे verbs में ing add करना children. Okay, to change in continuous. Next is Lalit and his friend are coming for dinner tonight. I am playing the guitar now. Play will change into playing. Mohini is name of one girl. Mohini is shopping at the mall now. He is swimming in the pool now. So children, likewise, you see, Geeta's pet dog is jumping and is wagging its tail. Okay. Aunt Komal is painting a picture. Rohit's father is mowing the grass. Pankaj and Pooja are listening to music. So children, we change the verbs into continuous form by adding ing. Remember this, okay? सब में ing add करना है. Plus, you have to write one helping verb also. Okay, this you have to do. So coming to the next exercise, that is, now children, these are all past continuous sentences examples. Okay, these are all past. See, was, were, everywhere it is written was, were. So these are actions that are already over. So you have to circle the correct answer. Children, instead of putting a circle over here, you can underline it. Otherwise, it will become dirty as enough space is not given. Okay. So I dash in the garden in the evening. Now I means here one individual, one person. So I के साथ was हो जाएगा. Okay. For singular we use was. For plural हम लोग were use करेंगे. Okay. Were is used for plural and was is used for singular. So I means one person. So I was walking in the garden in the evening. Karan, again Karan is name of one boy. So was playing baseball until 4 o'clock. Children. Now children means more than one child. So it is a plural word. Plural के लिए मैम ने क्या कहा? Were use करना है. Okay. Children were sitting on the rocks by the river. Okay. You were watching the sunset last night. With you children, we always use are and were. Okay. You are watching, you were watching. We say like this. Number 5. Mr. Raj and his family were staying at the same hotel that year. Because it is more than one person, तो were लेंगे. Plural के लिए were. We के साथ we means more than one person. So again plural लेंगे. We were planting saplings last Sunday. The dog. Now dog means you're talking about one animal. तो one singular के लिए मैम ने क्या किया? Was लेना है. For plural were लेना है. Here we have singular animal, one animal. So the dog was barking loudly at the cat. They were running faster than anyone else in that race. It was nice to meet you. She was reading the Jungle Book. She means you're talking about one girl. So you will choose was reading the Jungle Book. So children, this you do in your English grammar book. And then question number B will be your homework. This you do in your book. And if you have any queries, children, you are free to ask your teachers. Okay. So you complete this work and then we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.